Take your car care routine to the next level with Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine and Optimum Power Wheel and Tire Cleaner, the ultimate duo for a spotless exterior from paint to wheels. Start with the O&R. It's the original rinseless wash that cleans and shines in just 1 to 2 gallons of water. Its advanced formula encapsulates the dirt to protect the car's paint, leaving behind a streak-free, glossy finish with no rinsing required. You can use it on paint, glass, and trim to achieve professional results anywhere at any time. Now for your wheels and tires, reach for Optimum Power Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This acid-free formula is safe on all types of wheels, including sensitive aluminum wheels, and it's got a foaming action that breaks down stubborn brake dust, dirt, and even light corrosion with ease. Simply spray the product onto the wheels, let it sit for a minute, then agitate with an Optimum brush. For a deeper tire cleaning, use a drill brush attachment. You're going to rinse thoroughly, let the tires dry before applying Optimum Tire Shine or Opti-Bond Tire Dressing for that perfect finishing touch. Together, O&R and Power Wheel and Tire Cleaner provide everything you need to keep your car looking its best, from pristine wheels to a streak-free paint. Get complete car care quick, easy, and effective with Optimum.